So let's start creating the test plan now. Go ahead.
Okay. So to creating the test plan, what you can do, we can just go to the test plans, then click on the new test plan. Okay. And give the test plan name here. Let's say as we are going to automate execute the testing on sign in e-commerce sign in. So let's say e-commerce sign in manual test plan. Okay. Or you can say like e-commerce sign in manual test, and here you can put the description like what you're going to do. So we're going to like execute positive or design multiple test suites. Under the suites, create design positive and negative test scenarios, right? Then execute the then add the test steps, then execute the test steps, right? So let's say we are going to do all of this, and then also like I can assign myself. I think I don't have my name here, so I can assign Yusha here. Then put the risk here. Let's say high, because this is the sign in and this is we must need to execute. Then this is the here effort. I can put like, let's say 5 hours. Okay. Then start date. It's like today. What is the date today? Is the 26th, right?
March.
And
March.
oh, sorry. Yeah, March 26th, and like 31st. No, not the 31st. It could be like 28. Okay. So by these 2 days, I need the 5 hours to complete this. And the priority is number one. So after this, what I can do, I can just simply save and close this. So here I can see I have created a test plans here. Okay. So after creating the test plan, what we're going to do, we're going to create the like before I go enter this, let's do something more here outside of the test plans. So what I can do, I can create the
Do this.
test config.